SAS now. Asian Pacific, this is my choice. SAS Studio. Files, upload. You have to create upload folder, then upload. Choose file, your choice. Upload. This one, double click. Now the SAS online creates this data file, by program, and run. Output data. If you want to see the data set, you can see here. Go back to code, edit. Here, to right, drop, core data is equal to import work dot import. Semicolon. You see here work dot import, and variables. H1 space H2 space H3 semicolon, run, semicolon, cover this part and run. Now this is the output correlation matrix. You can read the output here.